The patient came to our facility complaining of pain and food impaction on the lower left back teeth. After using proper diagnostic tools, we have in our facility provided by our management, such as panoramic X-ray and oral photography. It was discussed with the patient that these teeth need root canal treatment and CAD/CAM restorations. Root canal treatment was done under high isolation to prevent contamination. Then teeth were prepared with full caries removal and a lot of smoothing to receive a high-quality CAD/CAM restoration. To ensure the quality, CAD/CAM restorations were designed and checked by our lab technician in collaboration with Dr. Huzian. High-quality CAD/CAM restorations were delivered to the patient's teeth to ensure proper bite, teeth relation to avoiding food impaction, and finally an amazing natural look.